Good morning, students. Today, our next topic is Dalton's law of partial pressure. In last topic, we have done the Avogadro's law. In that law, we have taken that if volume, pressure, and temperature conditions are same, then two different gases will have the same number of molecules. Similarly, in this law, it states that the total pressure exerted by the gases or the mixture of gases, means when two or more gases are mixes with each other, gases which don't interact with each other, then equal total pressure will be equal to sum of partial pressures of all the individual gases. Means if we are taking, let gas A and gas B, if they are they are mixing, means mixing we will take, but they should not interact with each other. They should not interact with, means particle of the both gases should not interact with each other, then their total pressure will be equal to pressure of individual gases as if they are occupy the volume at a given temperature. मतलब जे उन्होंने कल्ले कल्ले लईए, कल्ली एक गैस ले ली, उन्हें कितना वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई किया, ਉਹਦਾ कितना ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਹੋਊਗਾ, ठीक है। ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਪਲੱਸ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਗੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਗਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਕੱਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖੀਏ, ਅਲੋਨ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਕਰੀਏ, ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਵੋਲਿਊਮ ਆਕੂਪਾਈ ਕੀਤਾ, then it will be the sum of all the pressures. Clear? Next law is Gram's law of diffusion. Gram's law of diffusion. In this law, this gives the rate of diffusion, means ਜਿਹੜੀ gases ਨੇ they are moving and with which rate they are moving. Clear? Generally diffusion is possible in all three states of the matter, solid, liquid and gas. ठीक? So rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to square root of density. Density means rho, means rate. If any gas has rate 1, R1 is the rate of one gas, it will be the inversely proportional to square root density of that gas, means R1 will be inversely proportional to square root R1 sorry. Similarly, if R2 will be the rate of second gas, then it will be inversely proportional to square root of rho 2. Rho 1 and rho 2 are the densities of the gases at particular temperature. Means it states that rate of diffusion of two gases are inversely proportional to square root of their densities at a given pressure and temperature. Means if we take R1 and R2, it will become rho 2 over rho 1 under root. Clear? According to this is the diffusion law. Next is degree of freedom. Degree of freedom. Generally, degree of freedom, it is defined as the total number of coordinates or the independent variables. Means किन्ने coordinates ਜਾਂ किन्ने independent variables और quantities है ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ particular system ਦੀ configuration ਨੂੰ describe ਕਰਨ ਲਈ. The independent variables or coordinates required to describe configuration of a system, or we can say that it is noted by F, which is equal to 3n minus k, where n is the number of particles or k is the independent relation between them. Clear? So total degree of freedom will be 3n minus k. Now for example, monoatomic particle or gas, we are taking hydrogen gas. Clear? So number of particle means n is equal to 1 and there is no relation because particle is only 1, so no relation, means k is equal to 0. So degree of freedom will be 3n minus k, means 3 into 1 minus 0 means 3, means 3 degrees of freedoms are there. Clear? Second is diatomic. Diatomic means let it be carbon monoxide. ठीक है, मान लो H2 ਜਾਂ carbon monoxide है. Number of particles किन्ने हैं 2, number of atom or particles are 2 and there are relation किन्ने हैं C ते ओदा only one relation है, means K is equal to 1. So we can say that degree of freedom it will be minus 1, it will be 5. Means there are 5 ways to describe this system. Similarly, triatomic. Triatomic, for example, let CO2 देखो जे ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹੀਏ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦਾ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਦਾ 1 ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ, ਸਿਮਿਲਰਲੀ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਤੇ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਦਾ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ, ਐਂਡ ਦਿਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਹੈਜ਼ relation with this oxygen third. So total K is equal to third 3 and N is also 3. So F will be equal to 3 into 3 minus 3 means 9 minus 3 means 6. Means there are the 6 independent variables, or we can say that independent coordinate that will describe the system. Similarly, fourth is quadatomic, means ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ N is equal to 4 4 ਹੋਣ. For example, NH3 ਲੈ ਲਓ. There are 3 hydrogen, 1 N. So it will be N, H, H and H. So one relation this one, and second relation this one, third relation this one, and fourth relation this one, and similarly fifth relation this one. Means there are 5 or 1, I think this one. Yes, fifth relation this one, and next is this relation, sixth relation. Means K is equal to 6 and N is equal to 4. So degree of freedom will be 3N minus K, means 3 into 4 minus 6 means 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So there are the 6 coordinates that will describe the system. Clear? Now next is law of equipartition of energy. Law of partition of energy. So it states that for a dynamical system, in thermal equilibrium, energy of the system is equally distributed. Energy of the system is equally distributed amongst the various degrees of freedom, and energy associated with each degree of freedom is equal to half KT. मतलब ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੂਰੇ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਦੀ એનર્ਜੀ ਹੈ that will be equally distributed in all the degrees of freedom, and